In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an upload button in Wix. This is a useful feature if you want your visitors to be able to upload files directly through your website. Let's dive into the process, taking it step by step, so you can easily follow along and integrate this functionality into your own site. First, we need to start by accessing your Wix editor. If you're using the new Studio Editor, don't worry. These instructions apply to both, although some of the visual elements might look a little different. Once you're in the editor, navigate to the specific page where you want to add the upload functionality. This could be a contact page, a form submission page, or anywhere you need users to submit files. It's helpful to think ahead about where this feature will be most beneficial and relevant for your visitors. Now, let's move on to adding the upload button element itself. In your editor, look towards the left side of the screen where you'll see a toolbar with various options. Here, you want to click on Add Elements. This opens up a menu offering a range of features you can integrate into your page. You might find this menu organized slightly differently based on your editor, but the goal here is to locate the Input Element section. For those using the advanced features, you'll want to navigate through Advanced, then Input, or Advanced Elements. This is where you'll access all the user interactive components. Once inside the Input or Advanced Elements section, look for something labeled Upload Buttons. These are specifically designed for file uploads and can often be identified by an icon resembling an arrow pointing upwards or a paperclip symbol. When you find the upload button you want, it's just a matter of dragging and dropping it onto your page. Your cursor should change to indicate that you're moving the element, and once you release it over the designated area, the button will be positioned on your page. With the upload button now on your page, you've successfully added this feature to allow users to submit files. You might want to customize the button to better fit your site's aesthetic or to make it more intuitive for your visitors. Consider changing the button's text, size, or even style in the Wix editor settings to make sure it integrates seamlessly with the rest of your page design. And that's it. You've now integrated an upload button into your Wix site, providing your visitors with a simple way to upload files directly through your page. Make sure to save your changes and publish your site to ensure everything is live for your audience. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope this walkthrough was clear and helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.